And add in harvest loop here. It's slightly more efficient, chat. It is slightly more efficient. Aside from the bit where we need to handle the reset to origin. Okay. So we're gonna go up, we're gonna go down, we're gonna go here, and this is where we are going to end. So we're at this state, right? So we're gonna move east once. We'll be here at the once we exit this for loop, and we need to move north one extra time here, I think. Yeah, okay. That's only gonna work when it's odd numbered, etc. But hey, we're getting wood for days. Excellent. So now we have a much more efficient way of doing that. Can I get a function already? Yes. Thank goodness. Okay, you can define a new function. Normal scopes, global locals. Okay. Function definitions. Okay, it's normal Python syntax. We have the pass statement. Okay, you have to define before you run. Yeah, return values. Oh, we have tuples. Interesting. Can assign defaults. Can return functions. Ooh, okay. Wait, does that mean we can do fancy stuff? I feel like... Wait, chat, can you smell that? Does it smell like a utility library for you, to y'all? Okay, so what if we do like a little bit of a utilities thing here? Wait, can we import? It's Python, right? It's Python? What if I create a function called for each cell? It takes a function f and it runs that in each cell. I think there was an unlock for imports. Really? Oh, well, okay. Good spot. Good spot. Let's switch over to our carrot program. Hello? We need 80 carrots. Okay, so while that's cooking, we can do this thing, right? This is not gonna work for odd or even functions. So at this point, if can I get position? We don't have the census. I don't have my census with me, chat. I do now. Get position X, get position Y. Okay. Can check how many items we have. Okay. We can check the entity type and ground below us. It can return none. We have to check our unlocks. Okay. So, get pause y. Okay, so if position y is we're at the top right corner, so get world size -1. So we're here. Actually, we're here because we have moved east past. Then we correct to bring us down here. So that should fix the odd even issue. Theme says program is done in a simple language similar to Python. So not literally Python. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, we have enough to unlock the imports. So import other file function. Boom. No need to read further. Okay, so we can also do the normal Python syntax. Okay, so that's import modules. We can also import star. Okay. So let's get... Oh, you have quite a bit of space. Interesting. So, hey, can I not put this sideways? Ah. Okay, so import from util... No, that's not how that works. It's from utils import star, right? And we start clearing. Then let's just do grass for now. I guess I need a function. Let's have def try harvest. If can harvest, harvest. Too much indentation? Oh, really? Okay, so we will then forever, then for each cell, try harvest. You tried calling something that is not a function. Oh. Wizard hat? Wait, we get a hat because we used function arguments? I mean, I guess that is a little bit of a wizard move. Okay, so I feel like we can probably simplify things a little bit and get rid of these separate files. So that can go for sure. And I guess we can have let's do something like this. Bush. This will try harvest and plant entities bush. What happens if we plant on an already planted tile? I did it again. I heckin' did it again, chat. And the robot move diagonal in a single move. I don't think it can. I mean, that's working fine for now. So I guess we can get rid of the wood file. And I guess we can then... I mean, the try harvest will just do the right thing. So what are we actually getting to? This gets min, max, abs, and random. I don't see like why we would ever get those, because we can just implement those ourselves. I mean, okay, we can... Oh, those are expensive too. Lists to store values, dictionaries, cost of things, automatically unlock stuff. Okay, cool. We can make the world farmer smaller and change execution speed. I don't see why I would. Let's go fast. Let's go faster. I guess we can expand the farm. Unlock carrots. Or increase carrot yield, I guess. Watering. Okay, I increased the size while the program was running, which is why it's in a weird state. Okay, that's increasing yield. And can we go faster? We need carrots. Okay. So we need more hay for more carrots. So let's just change over to hay program. Can we increase the yield? Okay, that's gonna be a while. Meanwhile, we'll let that run. Didn't we get a thing where we could check our inventory? Fences? Num items. Okay, so this will tell us how many items we have. So can I see like how many carrots I have? Print num items, entities, carrots. First argument of num edit was carrot. This is not a valid argument. Really? Num items. Oh, items, not entities. I guess entity is a type of the carrot. Of the thing that's growing. Okay. One day your brain will understand definitions. I'm sure you'll get there. I'm sure you'll get there. Oh, look at the efficiency of our traversal pattern. That is paying off. Paying off, I'm telling you. All right, so I'm feeling like we can probably do some kind of logic to plant, choose what we plant based on our current inventory. So let's sketch that out in a new file while we get the thing here. Okay, so let's call it the smart plant. Actually, what for? I guess we're using. I guess we're underscores kind of shop. So we will see if num items, hey. I guess we need some kind of target values. Let's just set... Actually, I guess we just want to plant whatever we have the least of. Okay, so let's just get the number of items we have of everything. Items, hay, and wood, and carrots. So if we have less hay than we have wood, we will plant hay. Not only efficient, but really cool to look at. Thank you. Also, welcome in, Norblets. L if the amount of wood is less than the number of carrots, then plant carrots. Else plant hay, I guess. So I guess the function should be called decide crop. Yeah. Pick. Choose. Select. Select. So this means we will always have more hay than wood, always have more wood than carrots, and whatever else. What are these comments? Okay, there we go. So I guess we just return entities. That's not hay. Grass? Grass. Turn entities bush. Turn entities carrot.
Ashab, 9 months. Congratulations, you've officially reached the phase where your subscription starts waking you up at night demanding more cake and fewer death counters. It's beautiful in a horrifying, statistically inevitable way. At this rate, you'll unlock the parent of the struggle bus achievement before you master diagonal robot motion. Thank you for keeping chat appropriately snarky, and for not letting your new sub-baby install stationeers on the farm's core systems. Good luck. You'll need it.
Yeah, I still haven't fixed that bug. Taking a break from your own farm by watching others play because you're about to rip your hair out. Ooh, okay, interesting. How far have you gotten? So, I want the function that takes a crop and figures out the necessary thing. Actually, harvest, replant. So I want to first harvest whatever's underneath. While not can harvest. Pass. Busy wait, no need to flip. That's an animation, that takes time. Then we're gonna harvest. Ooh, actually this might... is there any way that we can never get to a state where we harvest something? If the soil is tilled and we haven't planted, then we might never get here. So we could get stuck in this infinite loop. Maybe harvest replant. Okay. these names are getting ridiculous. Okay, so if actually entity, can I see what's underneath me somehow? Not like that. Get out of here. Quick print, num items, ground type. Ooh, entity type. Okay. If get entity type is, if there's nothing underneath us, then we do the thing. Else, we wait until we can harvest. Not can harvest as, and then harvest, and then we need to plant the crop, but we need to figure out if we can plant the right thing. So what if we just have a thing that gets us like make the ground be the right type, a function for that. What do we call it? Adjust ground for a specific crop. So if the crop is entities grass, wait, hold on. What can grass grow on? On grassland. Can grow on soil or grassland. Okay, so I guess we just do nothing if it's grass. Else if crop is entities bush. What does bush grow on? Can grow on grassland or soil. Oh. I guess we also do nothing. And L if crop equals entities carrot, then return rounds soil. And then we have a final else. Is there like an exception or errors or something? Hey, Logical, welcome in. Yeah, I've been looking forward to this. Clear do flip, range print, quick print, pet the piggy. What does this do? Oh, that's just a stringificator. Okay. Built-in functions. It doesn't seem like there's like a terminate thing. Break? Oh, that's just a normal break command. Okay. Okay, well, we can make our own assert. So assert expression. If not expression, then we go into a infinite loop and we print message and we print the message, and let's even print the expression. So we're just gonna spam print nail it, the message if we can't do the thing. So this is going to be false, or Yeah, let's add another function. And this is just assert false with the message. Okay, so unhandled ground type. Can I stringify the crop? Well, maybe that works, maybe it doesn't. You haven't planted everything in the game yet, but so far it seems like everything can grow in soil, but not everything grows on grassland. Okay, interesting. Maybe this is useless in the end. I'm gonna keep it for now though. Okay, so maybe harvest. If we can harvest, then we wait. If there's something under us that we can harvest, then we wait until it's harvestable. Then we harvest it. And then we... Oh, we actually need to not return the ground type, but rather adjust the ground. So if get ground type is not ground's soil, then we till, and that pretty much does it. And now we adjust ground to the crop, and then we plant the crop. We have a lot of wheat right now while we were struggling with this. Indentation error? Your indentation. Oh, okay. Yeah, we need to figure out what to do with this thing. So if there's nothing underneath us, we don't do the wait cycle. So if there is something, we do the wait cycle and harvest, and then otherwise we adjust the ground and plant. So I feel like we should let's just try this in isolation. Maybe harvest, replant, wood, entities, bush. It printed 15. Oh, okay. Ah. Okay, so because we call the function, we're just returning none, and none is not a callable, so this is not a callable function. We need an outer layer, like a decorator kind of thing. But we have moved this, so we can get rid of that. Get some space in here. How do we do this?